Introducing the Samsung Galaxy S26, the sleek, compact flagship with a brilliant 6.3 display, powerful customized processor, advanced 50MP camera system, and smarter Galaxy AI features. Designed for effortless performance, lasting battery life, and intuitive daily experiences. 1. Refined design. The new ambient island camera design unifies the lenses into a single, polished feature for a refined, next-level look. 2. Sleek and durable. Reinforced in armor aluminum and Corning registered trademark symbol Gorilla registered trademark symbol Glass Victus registered trademark symbol 2, and engineered for water resistance, this Galaxy was designed for lasting strength. 3. Slim and refined. The slim design offers refined comfort and premium effortlessness. 4. See the difference. Get your hands on a 6.3 display or expand your view even more with 6.7. 5. Customized processor for Galaxy. From epic quests to real-time multiplayer, the customized processor delivers blazing speed and powers a customized image enhancer that helps content look clear and vivid. Superscript 3. 6. Play longer. Stay cooler. Stay cool when the action heats up. The redesigned vapor chamber and tailored thermal interface material, TIM, support the high-performing customized processor during demanding sessions. By spreading heat more efficiently, they provide up to 29% enhanced heat dissipation for cooler operation. 7. Power up quickly. Your day uninterrupted. Fast wired charging gets you back to full power in no time, up to 55% charge in around 30 minutes and keeps you in your flow. Up to 55% charge in around 30 minutes. 8. Check the specs on our powerful camera system. Powered by ProVisual Engine, the advanced 50MP camera elevates every shot, enhancing your subjects with smarter detail, richer color and clarity that keeps up with your imagination. 12MP f2.2 selfie camera. 12MP f2.2 ultra wide. 50MP f1. 8 wide 2x optical. 9 super steady video. Even on the go. Super Steady's horizontal lock feature combines expanded optical angles with gyro and acceleration sensors to recognize the direction of gravity and keep your shots level, even if you rotate a full 360 degrees. 10. Close. Closer. Whoa. With zoom indicators, 0.61 times to 3. 11. Make every selfie your best shot. Galaxy S26 front cameras now feature Superscript 1 and AI, ISP, for more natural selfies with highlights and shadows. True to your natural skin tone and other details such as hair and eyebrows, just as your eyes see them. 12. Studio-level edits. Built-in. Get quick and easy photo editing with just a few words and AI. Add objects, such as accessories, on photos of your pet by naturally describing the edits you wish to make, and Galaxy AI will realize your vision in minutes. 13. From photos to stickers in a tap. Mix sketches or photos with text that match your imagination. With a simple text description or a rough sketch outline, Galaxy AI produces the creations. Then, add the stickers to your keyboard or share it with your friends. 14. Real-time suggestions when you need it. The new Now Nudge can pick up on context on your screen and prompt you with helpful shortcuts. It intelligently minimizes the steps to your next action and even provides autofill suggestions. 15. On-device protection. Our personal data engine gathers and processes your personal data safely. Superscript 1 then it encrypts that data and saves it onto your device with Keep and Knox Vault, making it harder for anyone else to gain access. Superscript 1. 16. Tailored controls. Take control over your Galaxy AI. You decide where it gets processed, either on device or in the cloud. 17. Your Galaxy. Your way. One UI 8.5 personalizes your Galaxy based on how you use it day to day. Superscript 1 designed to be simple and intuitive, contextual reminders from Galaxy. 18. Connected security. Knox Matrix Trust Chain technology provides security across Galaxy connected devices so you can monitor the security of other devices right from your Galaxy smartphone. 19. Stay connected in one Galaxy. Pair Galaxy S26 with Galaxy Buds 4 for an effortless sound setup. Whether you are listening to music or making super clear calls, it's a seamless ecosystem designed to keep everything connected and keep you moving. 20. Peace of mind today, lasting value tomorrow. Keep your Samsung Galaxy device protected with Samsung Care Plus, the ultimate, unlimited protection from drops, spills and breakdowns. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.